Your GPS to black-owned spirits.
Ooh, that was heavy.
You like that?
That was
to
heavy.
black-owned spirits. Go, baby. Okay. Fire it up. We ready. Come on. Let's do it.
Okay. Welcome to day 26 of VEDA.
Guys, thank y'all so much for everyone who's been rocking with us for the past 26 days. Guys, if y'all been rocking with us, if y'all caught up, if y'all seen every single cocktail drink, put a 1 in the comment below. How the twins say? Comment down in the comment below.
Comment on our videos down below.
We need to hire twins. Yeah. Twins, come work for us.
They like,
Put a 1 in the comment below if y'all rock and seen every single cocktail video. If not, go back and watch the rest of it and then come back and put a 1. But go back and watch all the videos, guys, and that we made so far. We've been making cocktails, your favorite classic cocktails using black-owned spirits. Guys, before we go any further, how you feel?
Whew, I feel like my grandma came and talked to me and she said, you need to sit down somewhere because you move too fast.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
We tried to go walking today, child. Wow. Woo. Y'all, see,
that weakness hit like
COVID is something different. COVID will have you fooled.
Like pneumonia.
If
like, really.
COVID have you fooled, we woke up just waking up in the morning, God, thank God.
We were like, okay.
And we was ready.
We feeling good.
Man, we tried to go walking, and then it's like somebody said, sit your ass down.
We got smacked hard.
Today, day 26, we will be making a whiskey smash. We're running back up whiskey Wright, one of our favorite whiskeys. Again, I thought Greenwood would be my favorite one, man, but this whiskey Wright, this smoked cherry wood,
slept on. Something
special. As you can see, we've been killing it. So, guys, we're gonna run back a whiskey smash, which is a simple cocktail using whiskey, simple syrup, and lemon juice.
We need that.
Yeah. So let's not waste any time. We'll talk to y'all at the end. Let's make a whiskey smash. Again, thank y'all everyone who's been rocking with us, praying with us, calling us, texting us, so awesome. Checking on us, man. It really means a lot, man.
I'll never forget that either. Yeah. This is a different feeling right here.
Right, man. We love y'all.
Love y'all.
Let's make this cocktail. All right, guys, and so you have it, the whiskey smash. All right, guys, again, we're using whiskey Wright. They out of DC, so y'all in the DC area. It's a few more brands I need to get out of DC. Mahis, a brandy, and Durante rum. Like the two next up I need to get out of DC. But y'all check out this. Also check out 716 Vodka, 2 other black-owned brands out of DC. All right, man, it's your straw. Get this thing. We're gonna sip this thing. You do the same time, baby?
Yeah. What's it? Okay, let me see. It tastes vanilla?
Baby.
It tastes vanilla. Wait.
This thing, I ain't gonna hold you, y'all. This is 5.
Wait, where's the vanilla from?
It tastes like a whiskey sour, but sweet. A whiskey sour doesn't have, so, okay, so yesterday we did the screwdriver.
Yeah.
And we did the hairy neighbor, which is kind of the same thing, but one had peach schnapps, one didn't. A whiskey sour, pretty much this is whiskey with sour mix. This has simple syrup. This is delicious, y'all.
I wonder if it's our taste buds getting us again and it's just...
Babe, my taste bud working fine today, babe.
Oh.
COVID must be on taking a 15-minute break.
Not on break. I don't know why.
Sit that thing. Playing with it.
I want
Let me kill that thing.
That's an interesting combination to bring forth vanilla.
It's the mint, me. It's the fresh mint with the syrup. It's probably taking.
I need that mint flavor and I don't know.
All right, guys, we feeling better. It started to sweat a little bit, but hey, thank y'all so much for rocking with us, guys. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that bing. And not only just hit that notification bell, turn that thing on all.
Make that thing jiggle.
Y'all make sure y'all follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Me and I, guys. We do post daily on our community page and on the story. Me, tell them the website, baby.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi. Y'all see this?
We love y'all. We trying to go live tonight. This is Saturday. This is at almost noon when we recording this video. So actually, I gotta go get ready for my fantasy football draft, guys. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. We will be going live tonight on YouTube. May not be for a long time because again, we get weak quick. But we do want to talk to the people, guys. We haven't done a meeting out live in a few weeks, guys. So we don't want y'all to forget about us, no, because we got Saturday night on lock. Keeping the Griffins got Sundays on lock. We got Saturdays on lock. Your favorite couple got Wednesdays. Fridays on lock. Kayla Mar got Tuesday. Catherine's got Wednesday. Etna got Wednesday nights. Life with V got Thursdays. PBT got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So y'all make sure y'all tap into the family, y'all. Shout out to the squad, man. We love every one of y'all, man. Thank y'all so much, y'all. Let's help us get to 500 subscribers. We at 230 something. We're gonna skip 300. We're gonna skip 400. Let's help us get to 5 so we have a community tab so we can share y'all out and share this out to a community base, y'all. We love y'all. Y'all be safe, mask up, strap up. We'll see y'all tomorrow for the incredible Hulk. We out.
I don't know,